Boy, boy, you should big enough. Take it, yeah, baby, baby, yeah. Take it, yeah, love it. Tonight I'ma let you be the captain.
Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. So today we finna paint this sign holder, okay, for the little event that I got coming up. Here it is, painted black. I also made some signs out of foam. So this is a foam cutter. As you can see, it like melts through the foam. So I cut some pieces of foam out. I traced my stickers down onto the foam and then cut them with this foam cutter, which I love it. It's amazing. Here's the one that I was just doing. This is the finished product of that. Real simple, real easy, and the signs are really light, so it makes it real easy to hang and put them up. I did have to sand the edges down. That was the only thing. Here is how the stickers came. This is another one. This is a rearview mirror. These are for my stepdad's event that he puts on. The event is called Hit and Run. Here are two more stickers, big stickers pretty much, that we're going to be using for people to take pictures with. I lay them down on the foam, cut the foam out. I also painted the foam black and then put them down. Here's the rearview mirror cut out. It's very tedious cutting it out. This is the backdrop. We're at the venue. This is my brother. Hi, brother. This is the venue. This is where we have the event. We put all the tables and bar stools out how we want them. This is what the backdrop starts with. I'm going to hang this up on the backdrop. This is the ring that I did. These are balloon chains. That's the Hit and Run sign that I had made. And we hang dice from them because it's an old school theme. Let me go over here and show you guys the stage. Now, all these decorations are done by me. Everything is put together by me, Miss Creative. So I did this little balloons. I put the Hit and Run sign up. And let me tell you, that balloon shine spray is freaking amazing. It makes such a difference. Here is the Hit and Run logo and the camera for people to take pictures with the backdrop. So amazing, so fun. Here's a couple of people in here already. Let me show you the stage. I did all of this myself. Yes, I did. Very proud of me. Pat on my back. Those are some chain link balloons. The little sparkly curtains. That's the black sign holder is behind that Hit and Run balloon right there. And of course the other side to match. We got some really cute heart glasses that we set out for everybody to take. Here's the bar area. You know, that's important. But here's a little further away view. The photo booth back there. My stepdad right there. The DJ and the front. Here's me looking cute in front of everything. Everything turned out great. I'm proud of myself for my creativity. You know, your girl did her thing. So yeah, I'm looking amazing. I'm looking great. Glowing goddess. Here's some, you know, people using the photo booth so you guys can kind of see how that goes. The event turned out well. We're going to be doing this event once a month. So I will have once a month for sure being creative. Trying to tap into my creative side, you know. Here's those signs that I showed you that I was making. This is how they turned out. Here's, you know, some cute girls taking a picture with them. Like I said, I'm proud of myself. I'm doing what I love, getting paid to do what I love, and that's everything to me. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. The event was so good. The decorations came out good. Can't wait to show you guys the next event and the decorations I come up with that. For those, it's going to be a cherry theme, so you know I'm excited for that one. Everybody enjoyed themselves. They had a good time. That's what matters. That's what counts. And that's why we do this. You know, we got to bring good vibes to my little small town. Shout out to my little small town. We also had a chef back here cooking it up with a menu. So yeah, good vibes, good times. Hope you enjoyed the video. Until next time, you guys, you know what it is. Peace, love, and happiness. It's up from here, from Medussa Gotti. For those of you that have seen this 3 times already, I had to take the video down and upload it again 3 different times because it was doing a copyright claim, and I don't know. YouTube must have some new updates because I used the playful music I usually use from iMovie, and it was saying copyright claim. I'm sorry for my kids yelling and screaming in the background. Usually I do this outside of the home. This is why I don't do YouTube videos at home, because the kids are always in the background. Hope you enjoyed this video for the 3rd time. I'm sorry, but I'm not going to post the video if I'm not going to get paid for it. I love y'all. Peace, love, and happiness. Once again, goodbye.